In my last comparison video, I left things a bit open-ended. Link to that video way up there in the corner. I had bought the Herman Miller Embody and the LiberNovo Omni with my own money, and at the end of that video, I was still torn as to which one to keep. People were asking me, and I truly didn't know for a few more weeks until I sat on the chairs more. The Embody is an engineering marvel, and I wanted to like it more because I felt like it was the gold standard chair, and it was the one I was supposed to like. I wanted to like it so much, I even threw the box out, as I mentioned in that video. It's a comfortable, very well-built chair with a long, reliable history. But every time I sat in the LiberNovo Omni, I just kept having this, that just feels so much better reaction. Yeah, it's not a perfect chair, but I came to the conclusion that there likely aren't any of those, because every time I would settle on what I thought was the perfect chair, I would find reviews saying it was the worst chair ever. Maybe some of you have had that same experience. Comments down below if you have. In the end, the combination of the feel and the fact that it was half the price of the Embody led me to keep the Omni, and I have had no regrets. So the black Omni has been my daily driver, but recently a new variable has entered the mix, the moss green version. Now, full disclosure, LiberNovo did send this to me. Apparently, I've joined the ranks of sponsored chair reviewers with more videos to come because I've got some boxes of chairs over here that I'm going to get to. However, my unsponsored review of the Omni, again linked to up there, still stands, and I will do my best to provide that same level of honesty in all of my future chair reviews. There isn't really a lot of positive or negative to add in this video in a unbiased review sense, as it's more of an informational video for those wondering about how the new green variant compares to the original black and gray. Now, that said, the green, it's not my favorite color, and I think it likely won't go with a wide range of decors. It certainly doesn't go with my office decor. They sent out a color survey a couple months ago to a bunch of people, and I'm really hoping that that results in a nice charcoal gray color, which I think will have a much more broad appeal. Now, before we get into the feel of the green one, let's talk about setup. It's a pretty straightforward build with the included directions. I recorded the assembly of the green chair, and even with stopping to check some camera angles, similar to the black one, it took about 20 minutes from box to floor. It also comes with a footrest, which is also pretty straightforward to assemble. In the end, if you don't love it and want to return it, you will have to take it back apart and make it fit back in the box. But handily, I discovered that LiberNovo actually has a video on how to do that. Sitting in the green one for the first time was really a total surprise, because my immediate reaction was, wow, this feels significantly firmer and stiffer compared to the black one. The issues with the seat depth and the edge support are well known, and I figured, wow, maybe they addressed them with the green one, but I also feared maybe this is just a one-off sample and all of them really just feel like the black one. But my research on Reddit, multiple users confirmed that their green one is also indeed stiffer. I also reached out to LiberNovo and asked them if they had changed the padding density or the padding specs, and was surprised to hear that the padding between the green and the black chairs is actually identical. I actually didn't believe them until I looked into it on my own and did my own research, and turns out the reason the green chair feels stiffer isn't the foam, it's the upholstery. It comes down to a 7% difference in the fabric. The original gray and black ones are a blend of a 93% polyester, 7% spandex, and that spandex allows the fabric to stretch the moment you sit in it, allowing your body weight to engage with that foam padding. The moss green, on the other hand, is 100% polyester. It's a short pile fabric designed to feel like wool, but because it lacks that elastic spandex, it doesn't stretch. It creates a trampoline or drumhead effect where that fabric holds your weight across the surface rather than allowing you to sink in. The green chair should soften up a little bit over time. As the weave relaxes over the first few weeks, that initial stiffness should subside a little bit, but in the end, it is still going to be stiffer and more supportive compared to the black one because the fabric does not have that elastic spandex. The other advantage of this is the increased edge support. For the people that felt like they were falling out of the edge of the black one because the edge was so soft, the green one definitely feels more firm all the way out to the edge. And you can see the difference with this 10-pound weight, how even in the middle, the weight sinks into the black one a lot farther than it does the green one. Another advantage is the people that like to sit Indian style or with their foot up on the chair, where I mentioned that was an issue on the black one. Because of the stiffer edge, you can totally do that with the green one. In my previous videos, I also mentioned concerns about how the black fabric would hold up long term. So I asked LiberNovo about it, and they explained that the fabric has been tested for anti-pilling and abrasion resistance using a Martindale machine, which I didn't know what that was, but I learned through my research is that it's a machine used to test, well, these sorts of things. And the fabric is rated for 5,000 cycles anti-pilling, 50,000 cycles for abrasion resistance. Again, those numbers didn't mean anything to me, but what it turns out they mean after I researched it is that the fabric should actually hold up pretty well. That said, the green fabric feels smoother, higher quality, more luxurious, and maybe a little bit tougher, but perhaps here feels is the key word, because assuming they did this testing, in theory, both fabrics should hold up well. The black one, granted, I've only had it for a few months, but it does not show any wear. A few other notes: the armrests are unchanged. They are still very comfortable and very padded, but there's the complaint that they are very loose, and on the green one, that is unchanged. Also, one of the things that I pointed out in my original review is that I didn't like that the chair had no give to it when I laid back compared to the Embody. But someone suggested that put it one position back, tighten up the tension knob here, and then be with that increased tension, it would act to not allow you to go all the way back to that next detent position, but would hold you kind of in the middle. And that's actually worked out really well, and it acts like the chair has a little bit of give. The footrest is easy to assemble. It doesn't fit great under my desk because of the size of it and the space under my desk. And I wish the base was padded instead of firm. But if you are going to lie in this chair back to its 160-degree recline and take a nap, the elevated position of the footrest is great. People may wonder, which one of these do I prefer? Which one am I keeping? Personally, I love the soft yet supportive feel of the black one. Every time I sit down into it, it just still has that feel of, oh, this just feels so right and so comfortable. The green one might be better in an office setting perhaps, or again, if you like something more supportive, but for me, it's the black one. So I think here's the takeaway. You see in reviews that people look for different things and use chairs in different ways. If you want a chair that you immediately sink into, is comfortable, and you can take a nap in, the black one is the right configuration. However, if you want a more structured, supportive sit with more edge support, the green is your choice. Let me know if you have any questions about either of these. Post some comments, especially if you have one of the green ones and how yours feels. Appreciate you watching this video, and as mentioned, more chair boxes over there. I'd love to see you in those videos.